Hi, I'm Roland Leggat from Insight Australia, and today I want to talk to you about the Microsoft Whiteboard. Now, one of the things I miss most about being in the office is having a whiteboard. So much so, I got a whiteboard in my study at home because I just love being able to draw up on it, collaborate with people. Now, the whiteboard that we've got from Microsoft is available in Teams, so you can have it during a meeting. You could insert it into a channel and have a whiteboard for a particular project or department. You could have it as a standalone app. Multiple people can collaborate on the whiteboard together. You can insert videos, text, images, heap loads of stuff, and then save that whiteboard so that you can keep referencing it when having further meetings. So I'm going to do a little bit of demo on Microsoft Whiteboard. Check out what we can do. So here we are in the Microsoft Whiteboard app. Now this is the Whiteboard app. I can get whiteboards that launch inside the Teams environment, but with this app I can choose to share this app with different people in my organization. I can choose to co-author on this app. So if I opened up the whiteboard in a meeting, I can go through and we can take different like sticky notes in there. So we could say this is a sticky note. We could go through and look at different pens and draw on this whiteboard. Okay. We could go through and click on the plus sign here and it'll bring out all our options to create. I can create text, shapes, reactions. When I'm sharing a whiteboard and we're all working on the whiteboard together, I might want to say, well, I really like what you've done there with the sticky note. And I can go through and I can use different templates, insert images, documents, links, or videos into the whiteboard. So we can have this whiteboard available to us in our Teams meeting environments. And the idea here is to really make it as interactive as possible so that when you draw on a whiteboard, everybody sees it. There's a bunch of whiteboard applications out there, but this one is fully integrated with Office 365, and it'll allow me to access this whiteboard, rename it to the demo whiteboard. Alternatively, I can go home and I can get all of my whiteboards that I've used in the past that are available to me, because these whiteboards related to my Office 365 account actually are stored on my OneDrive. So if you want to work on a whiteboard with somebody, you can go through and share this whiteboard in a Teams environment and then work on the whiteboard just as if you were co-located in an office together. So to that, we give a big thumbs up. So in Microsoft Teams, we can use this whiteboard to recreate that experience that we get when we're in the office, when we're together. If we can't physically be together, we can still be together and collaborate in the cloud using Teams and the whiteboard. Have fun with it and keep using the whiteboard.